This is how to remove curry stains from carpet. For this demo, I spilt this curry yesterday and let it sit overnight to make the stain more difficult to remove. The very first thing I'm going to do is try to remove the curry from the carpet with the spotter. I'm not going to cover spot removal in detail in this video, but essentially what we're trying to do is take all of the solids and pastes out of the carpet. When you're doing spot removal, what you'll probably find is that you end up with a bright yellow stain that seems to be permanent. This bright yellow color is caused by a spice called turmeric, which is a common ingredient in curry. The turmeric spice gets its color from curcumin pigments, and once these yellow curcumin pigments touch your carpet fibers, they will latch on and never let go. I could try every spotter on the market and this yellow stain will never come out of the carpet. So that brings us to step 2, which is called stain removal. If you follow my channel, you know that for permanent organic stains, we use oxidation reactions to destroy the pigments that refuse to come out of the carpet. Now, a normal oxidation reaction will not work on curcumin pigments because it's not strong enough. So for this stain, I'm going to show you how to use an advanced oxidation reaction. For advanced oxidation reactions, we're going to use 3% or 6% hydrogen peroxide with a UV light. First, spray the hydrogen peroxide in the carpet, then cover it with the UV light and wait. I recommend using a UV light that you can plug into a wall outlet. Battery-powered UV lights are generally too weak and will not work well for this. If you want to use a UV light that's similar to the one I'm using, I'll post an Amazon link in the description below the video. I'm going to leave the light over the stain for 15 minutes because I'm using 6% hydrogen peroxide. If you're using 3% hydrogen peroxide, just note that it'll take more time. So after 15 minutes, it looks like the stain is starting to disappear. I'm going to rearrange the carpet tufts to expose other parts of the stain and then cover it with the UV light and allow it to sit for another 15 minutes. On a microscopic level, what's happening here is there are thousands and thousands of tiny yellow curcumin molecules that have become permanently attached to the carpet fibers. And since we cannot take these molecules out of the carpet, we have to destroy them using a chemical reaction. The UV light splits the hydrogen peroxide molecules into hydroxyl radicals. Then the hydroxyl radicals attack the curcumin molecules, causing them to break down. Once these yellow curcumin molecules have been destroyed, they lose their color properties and become invisible. If you're going to try this method at home, make sure you do not leave the UV light on your carpet for a prolonged period of time. If you leave it long enough, it'll eventually remove the color from your carpet. Therefore, I suggest checking the progress frequently and adjusting the time intervals if necessary. Also, make sure you test the peroxide and UV light in an inconspicuous area on your carpet before using it to remove stain. This is just to make sure it does not cause any damage or discoloration to your carpet. When the stain is gone, use a towel to absorb the remaining hydrogen peroxide from the carpet. Any hydrogen peroxide that is left behind in the carpet will completely evaporate, leaving behind zero residue. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn more carpet cleaning tips and tricks, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.